Okay guys, so welcome once again, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix 8 ball pool lag. So if you are having a problem with your 8 ball pool game, then this is how to fix it. First of all, what you have to do is um, you have to first subscribe to the channel, like the video, and listen to what I am about to, you know, to say. So what you have to do is to first, if you want to fix this problem, just go to your phone menu and you have to search for settings. So let's look for settings. So when you see or you find settings, just tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notifications, and also apps and preference on other device. So just tap on it. After tapping on it, you have to wait for some while over here. When you wait, after waiting, you're going to see your apps. So just tap on the see your apps over here. After that, you have to wait. It's loading, as you can see. So as you can see, we have 8 ball pool over here. So if you want to fix this up, just tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, then you clear the cache, then you clear the storage. After that, tap on the force stop over here and tap on notifications. When you see your notifications like this, just tap on so that it's going to help you. It's very necessary and important. So after that, you have to check the background data. You have to make sure it's on like this. After doing all this, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu again, then you search for Play Store. So when you tap on the Google Play Store, what you have to do next is to wait. As I'm waiting right now on my device, it's loading. After that, tap on the search apps over here, then you search for 8 ball pool. So when you search for 8 ball pool, it's gonna load and it's gonna show you. So what you have to do is to tap on the update over here. So as you can see, mine is play over here. So when you tap on play, it's going to open the app. Don't do so. Don't tap on the play button because you want to fix the problem. So what you have to do is to tap on update. If you don't see update, just tap on your power button for long, then you tap on restart. Then after that, you tap on OK and wait for the phone to restart itself, and it's going to fix the problem. But if you can't see update over here, when you can see it, just tap on the update. It's going to reinstall and install on your device successfully for you. And after that, what you have to do is to same pass through the same process by tapping on your power button for some seconds. Then after that, you tap on restart and okay. Another device too, you're not going to see restart. Just tap on reboot. If you're not seeing restart and reboot, just off your phone, then you turn it on again. That's the meaning of restart. So this is how to fix 8 ball pool not working or not opening or lagging problem. So it's important to get to know this. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment section. If these steps is not working for you, just let me know in my comment section. And also I want you to let me know whether um, you are seeing a different thing when you are opening the app, like what pops up when you open the app. I want to get the information so that I will check on it for you, and I'll do a next video for you to get to know how it's fixed. Thanks very much for watching this video. I don't want the video to be long, so see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in my next one, and don't forget to share it, subscribe, like. Bye.